What's up, guys? We are headed to Tampa to Armature Works to go to the Rise on the River. It's a once a month show. It's actually really good. It's actually a show you can go to and see a couple hypercars sometimes, and overall it's a clean, really good show. It's early a little bit considering that me and Lewis had quite the little casino adventure last night in Tampa. So busy lately. But yeah, we are gonna head there and show you the show. And yeah, dude, it'll be sweet. What's up, everybody? So we're back, dude. We got here, and this is something that first caught our eye. But yeah, there is a lot of good stuff here today. You see, the Lotus is cool. The lot is actually about full. We got here and we thought the lot was full. We talked to the guy. He's like, no, we got a couple. And this isn't even the actual show. This is the overflow lot. Okay, so you know you're at a good show when there's a Ferrari in the overflow. That's all I'm gonna say. Oh no, there's a Lewis. There's a Lewis by the Ferrari. No, I was just saying, dude, you know it's a good show when there's a Ferrari in the overlot. Yeah, overflow lot.
There's a lot of good stuff here. They're so good.
Yeah, they're awesome.
Like that's gangster, bro. The Recaros, what? I might need. Dude, that's nuts, man.
No, $90,000. It'd be worth $160 today.
Is that another GTR? I think I might actually know this dude because I've seen him at some events. Never really talked to him, but they all tell me that is the place to go. And the 1300 package means the dude's at about 1300 horsepower, depending on the map. But yeah, look at these, an old Fox body and the Skyline. Sick. Okay, so we're starting to get in the main show here. Here's the starting kind of lineup area. There's a couple of vendors here. I mean, old school M3, Viper GTS.
It would be like.
And they've got the Lamborghini, the Diablo. We found those again by the Lambos, by the water.
By the garbage cans. Dude.
By the,
GTR.
you say by the garbage cans?
Yeah, by the.
That's funny.
This is the good stuff right here.
Lewis, what do you think of the show so far, dude?
It's cool.
Yeah.
It's not enough Ferraris, but
Yeah.
it's alright.
This dude's like a giant Ferrari fan.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I bet this thing would be like super.
this actually is what I almost got before I got the GTR. So some people say it's the last, well, Lewis just said it, the last Lamborghini before they were car owned by Volkswagen. So yeah, I don't know if this guy's gonna get it going here, but it's definitely on. And yeah.
It's all the way back with him. Oh, I think that guy's trying to do something. He downshifted. There he goes. Oh, he had like a strobe light thing on. Oh no, there he goes. So long, gay boy.
Alright guys, so we're done with the show. It was really good. It was a good show. We're going over the Sunshine Skyway right now to head home. I thought it was good because we saw some different cars. There was the Diablo there. There was some stuff we'd already seen before, but it's good stuff, like the Bayside Blue R34. But it's just a good, clean show. Like Lewis was saying earlier, it's a good place for, like, you know, bring your family. There's just people that are there for lunch or dinner. I mean, lunch or breakfast. So it's just a really, like, clean, good show with high quality vehicles. You know, but yeah, we're heading back. I just wanted to close out the video. Hope you guys like it. If you do and you want to see more of it, that's awesome. I'm gonna keep it going. Just gonna basically just, like, when I'm at a show or when something's going on, I'm gonna get the video up. I'm also going to do a video of dealing with 15K miles on this car, kind of an overview of the ownership of the 15K, things like that, and then get more in depth with it. But that's, you know, that's coming up, like, real quick. So yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.